Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use the My Tasks feature in Asana for 2025. First up, log into your Asana account. Now on the left sidebar, you'll see the My Tasks tab. Click on it. The reason we do this is to access a personalized list of tasks assigned to you. Next, you'll notice three sections: Today, Upcoming, and Later. These sections help you prioritize your tasks. You can drag and drop tasks into these sections based on their urgency. This helps us because it allows you to prioritize tasks effectively and stay organized. Now that we've done that, let's look at task details. Click on any task and you'll see the task details pane. Here you can add comments, attachments, subtasks, and set due dates. The reason we do this is to ensure all task-related information is centrally located, making team collaboration smoother. Next up, the task actions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You can mark a task complete by clicking on the check mark or delegate the task to a team member using the assignee field. This helps us because it ensures that tasks are tracked and managed efficiently. Lastly, let's talk about customizing My Tasks. Click on the three-dot icon on the top right of the My Tasks page and select Customize. You can create custom sections, sort tasks, and even save layouts as default. Let me explain why this matters. Customizing your My Tasks view allows you to work the way you want, increasing your productivity. And there you have it. That's how you use the My Tasks feature in Asana, a simple yet powerful tool to manage your tasks effectively. Until next time, keep staying organized.